What is a IRS tax lien? What can we do about it? When does it show up on your account? And much more. So let's talk about it. My name is Christian Onyem, and I'm a certified public accountant and also a certified fraud examiner. So dealing with IRS tax lien, most taxpayers think that, oh, they're going to take my money right away. They're going to freeze all my bank accounts. It's a wage garnishment. It's not that. It's the IRS tax lien, which is basically a hold on your account. And if you have any proceeds from any financial assets or maybe real estate transactions, those proceeds will go to that tax lien versus going straight to you. So if you owe $100,000 in tax liability and you sell a property for $100,000, that $100,000 isn't going to you personally. It's going to go straight to that IRS tax lien, and it's going to be paid off, wiped, and clear, right? That's what that does. So it messes up your opportunities when you're dealing with sales of homes, which can be a taxpayer's largest source of wealth. It kind of screws that process up. That's why we want to get those things removed as soon as it hits your account. So the IRS will basically put these liens on your account. Sometimes if you're owing around 25,000, 30,000, maybe 15,000, sometimes they won't put it on your account if that bill's under 10,000. But most definitely they will put it on your account if that bill is over 50,000. If you owe $50,000 in tax bills, the IRS or that revenue officer assigned to your case, they're going to put a lien on it, even if you have some type of resolution put in place, right? So expect that lien. One of the ways to get rid of that lien is basically opting into lowering that bill down, then opting into some type of resolution to get it resolved once you get that thing down under 50. If it's over 50, that lien is still put into place. So that means if you're trying to get some transaction deal done with real estate and you're thinking you're going to get that money, but mind you, still owe around $50,000 plus with the IRS and they have a lien on your account, that's the idea to kind of work that bill down before you get into any transactions, especially when you're dealing with one of the largest sources of wealth that you've been put into place and to do some type of transactions with. So that's what you really need to do to kind of work around that lien. A long story short, remember, the IRS is a collection agency. They're trying to collect on their bills. This tax lien forces IRS taxpayers to kind of do some type of resolution, especially if they're doing some type of large transaction, to opt in some type of resolution to work on paying the IRS back. You got to remember that, right? So you do have options into kind of working around this, but it's going to revolve you paying down that amount, right? So that's what an IRS tax lien is. Remember, guys, they're not levying your bank account. It's not a levy. They're not garnishing your wages. They're not going to take that W-2 amount. It's not a very impactful thing that they're doing. They're just putting a hold on there, right? They're putting a hold on that, any accounts, and if any proceeds come to you, just know that it's going to basically clear out the hold first. When I say that, means it's going to pay off the IRS bill first, then the rest will go to you if there's anything left over. So if you have any comments, questions, you want to hop on the phone, if there's something you're experiencing, reach out to us. Let's have a conversation about it. Happy to help. But that's what an IRS tax lien is, guys.